Foreign Affairs Cabinet Secretary Monicah Juma today held a meeting with members of the National Assembly's Defense and Foreign Affairs Relations Committee meant to discuss the growing rift in Somalia caused by a maritime dispute.
Somalia is auctioning oil blocks in the Indian Ocean internationally in territory that has long been considered part of Kenya. This is despite an ongoing case at the International Court of Justice over the Kenya's maritime border. The closed-door meeting between the CS and MPs took about 2 hours.
The maritime boundary claimed by Somalia will join that of Tanzania and in all likelihood eliminate Kenya's access to the ocean at the coast.
MP Belgood. Vincent Way, MP Mosrach, MP Belgood. Mosrach, MP Belgood. Vincent Way, MP Belgood.